Dealing with a white screen on your Panasonic TV and unsure where to start? If you're wondering how to fix a white TV screen on your Panasonic, you're in the right place. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry. There are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve it. By following this guide, you'll learn how to diagnose and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check external devices and connections. First, let's rule out any issues stemming from external devices connected to your Panasonic TV. Turn off the TV and unplug all connected devices such as gaming consoles, DVD players, or set-top boxes. Inspect each cable carefully to ensure there are no visible damages, like fraying or bent pins. Once done, reconnect the devices one at a time, ensuring each connection is secure. Turn your TV back on to see if the white screen persists. This step helps determine if the problem originates from external connections or within the TV itself. Step 2. Perform a power reset. A simple power reset can often solve many screen issues. To perform a power reset, unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Wait for about 60 seconds to ensure all residual power is discharged. Then plug the TV back into the power source. Turn the TV on to see if the issue is resolved. This process resets your TV's system and can potentially eliminate any glitches causing the white screen. Step 3. Check the TV settings. Occasionally, a white screen may result from incorrect settings. Using your remote, navigate to the TV's menu settings. Look for picture or display settings and reset them to factory defaults. Ensure that the picture mode is set to standard or a similar setting rather than a custom one, which might have altered the display properties mistakenly. Save any changes and check if the issue persists. Step 4. Update the TV firmware. Outdated firmware can sometimes lead to unexpected issues, including a white screen. Check if your Panasonic TV has any available firmware updates. To do this, go to the TV settings menu, find the Support or System section, and select Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen prompts to download and install it. Updated firmware can fix bugs and improve the overall performance and stability of your TV. Step 5. Inspect the backlight or inverter board. If the above solutions haven't resolved the issue, problem might be with the TV's backlight or inverter board. This step is more technical and may require professional assistance. Check whether the screen displays any faint images or shadows when viewed from an angle. If it does, the backlight could be failing. Alternatively, listen for any unusual noises that might indicate a malfunctioning inverter board. Contact a qualified technician to examine and repair these components if necessary. Fixing a white TV screen on your Panasonic can be accomplished by following these systematic steps. Whether it's checking external connections, performing a power reset, tweaking TV settings, updating firmware, or inspecting internal components, there's a solution tailored for your issue. Remember, if the problem persists after trying these methods, seeking professional help is advisable. By addressing the problem promptly, you can return to enjoying your favorite shows and movies without further interruption. Stay tuned for more tech support tips and solutions.